A glass full of water has a bottom of area 20 centimeter square, top of area 20 centimeter square, height 20 centimeter and volume half a liter. Find the force equilibrium of the water on the bottom, right? In first case I do have to calculate the force acting at the bottom. So let's say there is a pressure P0 or at the atmospheric pressure. Fine, so I can calculate the pressure at the bottom. Pressure at the bottom can be written as P0 plus H rho G. Okay, and I have to calculate the force, so I'll multiply both sides by area of cross section. So I have P0 plus H rho G into area of cross section will give me the force that is acting on the bottom. So substitute the value. The pressure is P0 into 10 to the power 5 plus height is 20 centimeter, rho of water is 1000, G is 10 and the area is 20 centimeter square. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. So solve this equation, you get the value of force as 204 newtons. Fine. In second part, considering the equilibrium of the water, find the resultant force exerted by the side of the glass on the water. Alright, now let's say now we know that let's say the mass of the whole body is mg. Fine, and it will be acting downward. Fine. Now this mg at condition of equilibrium will be balanced by the mass of the whole liquid and the force exerted by the side walls. So I can write mg will be equal to h into rho into g into area of cross section plus the force exerted by the glasses. So just substitute the value. Half a liter, 0.5 liter. We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So it will be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube of water. So mass is volume into density, and that is equal to height, that is 0.20 into 1000 into 10 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to force exerted by sides. The volume is 0.5 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. Convert it into meter. I have 10 to the power minus 6 into 1000 into 10 is equal to this complete expression, that is 0.2 into 10 to the power 4, and this 4 is cancelled, so again 20 plus f of s. So the value of force, that is the force exerted by the sides on the water, will be come out to be 1 Newton.